Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn the CSS attribute selectors. What are we going to learn? We are going to learn how to add a target into an element or a class in your CSS so you can be more specific. Let's get right into it. With me, there's the CSS attribute selector. What is it? We are going to change everything that has a target in yellow. So, what is it? I've already taught you guys how to go to another page that's the blank target. The top can work, but I'm not sure. But with the target, the only thing it does is clicking and going to another page instead of opening the same page. So, every A tag that has a target attribute will of course be have background yellow. Now we are going to learn the attribute equal sign value. What is value? In that case, we are going to target the target, right? The attribute will be the target, but with an equal sign, we will only want the blank, the target that is blank. So, only the second Google will be shown with a yellow background. Now, we are going to use the attribute child equals to the value. What does it mean? Every image, I don't have any image here, but the border works, so it's fine. Every image that has a title that has stone in it, doesn't need to be the first one, but it does need to be a single word. So big space stone, only stone, will have a border. Now, in the attribute value, has that pipe before the equal sign. What does that mean? The class name needs to start with top hyphen or top space, but no, not top space, sorry, only top hyphen. But if it's top content, no space, doesn't work. The space, however, no hyphen, altogether it doesn't work. If you put a hyphen, good. If you don't, doesn't not work. Now, with the attribute caret equals before the value, it means that it needs to start with the top. It doesn't need to have, it can have space, it can have even, it can have whatever you want to. It just needs to start with top, right? If you just put top, it will work all as well. Now the attribute $sign equals value, right? It doesn't matter if it has the underline, the hyphen, doesn't matter. The only need is to be in the last, in the end of the word. It needs to be, it needs to end with that value. As an example, the text, it needs to end with text. Now the asterisk before the equal sign, it only needs to have the T. It doesn't need to be in the beginning or in the end. It only needs to have, right? Don't forget, the asterisk, it's the most friendly, accepts everything. And lastly, the input type text. What does that mean? Inputs, there's a lot. I already showed you guys. There's the input type text, button, submit, reset, a lot of them. So to specify them, in style, you just put the input element, right? The attribute type text, so every text will change. Now, do a lot of things. The block will cover everything, so the next will go down. Margin bottom, space in the bottom. Background color, the width 150 pixels. Right, and in the button we have the width of 120 pixels, margin left, so it will go more to the right, the display block. It will enter automatically, and I think that it is. For this video, everything. You've learned a lot of useful attribute things. Thank you guys and see you soon.